In the last video, we saw how my gaming channel almost died, and I showed 3 biggest mistakes which you should avoid, which will get you over 5 years ahead of most of the people. And in this one, I'm gonna show you how I revived my channel from getting like no views to views over 300,000 views in last few months and many subscribers as a small gaming channel. And watch till the end because this will help your channel out. And further ado, let's begin. After an experience of 5 years, I understand it very easily now that I must cover a broader audience. What does it mean by covering a broader audience, you might ask? Well, there can be 2 ways to do this. One of them is picking the right game, and second is to make content about many games. As I come in the category, picking one game doesn't seem right at all because when my audience is very small. For an example, at the moment I have been playing Minecraft Dungeons, which does not have been having a bigger audience compared to Minecraft. But if you're based on a small game or something similar to this situation, you should always remember making content about more than 1 or 2 games. Dedicate your time and efforts. Schedule the videos in the way that keeps your subscriber hooked to what you are doing. Posting randomly about games doesn't seem right, so put content with greater schedule. For an example, for the week 1, you post Minecraft Dungeons. For the week 2, you post Minecraft. And for the week 3, you post any other game. It doesn't matter what game it is until and unless you make your viewers feel that you are unique, then the hundreds of other gaming channels do the same thing with all of those games. So what is the overall thing out of this entire topic I just told you? Well, sticking with one game is not good because people's interests change as per time until unless you are doing something unique which makes your viewers feel that no, this guy's different than the hundreds and thousands of other channels which does the same thing, but this guy's unique. And we're gonna discuss how you can do that if you want to stick with one game or anything else. I will tell you in the second tip. So let's talk about that. Find your weakness and abilities. This is more of a connected topic from the first one. We all are created with our own personalities and abilities. With that, making gaming videos could be separated. If you are great at helping people by going into the depths of the game and coming up with a perfect guide which helps people, you can be a great guide channel. If you are great with your storytelling skills and editing skills, you can create a great episode type of channel. For example, 100 days in Minecraft or any other game or somewhat like that, which is a story type of video which sounds a lot more interesting to people. But always remember, it's always okay to take inspiration, but it's never okay to be a cheap copy of some other content creator. Everyone has to do something unique, just like I am doing on my channel. You can just check it out if you want to. So, if you're even great at playing the game, you could do challenges. For an example, you could do challenges which players can't even think of doing if you're great at the game. You could do anything. There are endless possibilities, but you just have to find the one code which helps your channel out the most. My gaming channel is made up of guides and the news which comes up for many games I play about. So that's the biggest peak of my channel, whereas I'm not great as the editing as I have to learn all of things by my own, and it takes time, but I'm even improving while letting my experiences being expressed on this channel. But putting that aside, discovering your ability can help you perform better on your videos, and your viewers would feel more connected with you than your content. That doesn't mean that your content does not serve any purpose on the entire channel. If you edit the topic or the thumbnail is bad, even if the video is good, most likely you won't get what you expected to get. Don't try to make videos to get more views or anything. Yes, that should be your focus, but your main focus should be helping others if it's a guide channel, entertaining people if it's any kind of episoding video or anything like so. Your main goal should be serving the audience and taking them and taking their priorities first and then taking the getting viewers and stuff. How can I get better at it? Try experiment and you'll get it. And I will explain you with one example. Let's just think of a movie with a great storyline but a very bad way of representing it. You probably won't like it. So making efforts of presenting the idea, the topic of the video, I guess, matters equally as the actual storyline. It may take a bit of time for you to realize what can be good for your channel, but never stop experimenting with new things to your channel. If you feel like it's a great idea where you can get viewers and you can serve the audience very well, experiment it, because you would never know that video could change your entire channel future. These were the two most important tips which I would give to you as a gaming content creator, which will help your channel in reviving the channel you have from a dead place or even grow your channel. And I hope you found this video helpful, because I put a lot of efforts into making these videos. You can subscribe for more. I'll be posting it even more about this if you want to. And from the next video, my self-improvement journey will start and it will be bangers, so make sure you stay tuned for that. And yeah, this is my journey, and see you in the next one. Trust the process.